How to change theme on UC browser app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change and add more good themes on your UC browser. So all what you have to do is simple. Go here in the home page of the UC browser. Now go down and click on those three lines as you can see here. Now click on themes. As you can see, it's here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now you can choose one of these, and if you want to find out more wallpapers, click here. Now you wait a few seconds until it takes you to a page. Here you will find more wallpapers. Now for example I'm gonna choose this one right here, and as you can see I just changed my UC browser theme easy and fast. Let's change to this one for example again. It's very easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.